Hello everyone. So we have this interesting question today from an American math exam called AMC. In this question, we are given a trapezoid ABCD, a trapezoid or a trapezium. We can also call it as a trapezium, and we need to find the area of this trapezium. So let's see how we can find the area for this trapezium. Before starting the question, please understand that figure is not drawn to scale. Figure is not drawn to scale. What does that mean? It means that it is not necessary that this will be 12 units. This will be 39 units. Here it can be varied because we have not used any particular scale to draw this figure. Okay, these sides are just marked with their lengths. Actual lengths may vary. Okay, so first of all, let's draw a line parallel to DA. I am drawing a line parallel to DA from point C like this. Okay, so I have drawn a line parallel to DA. Okay, so if it is parallel to DA, we know that CD is already parallel to AB. Yes, CD is already parallel to AB. Now AD is also parallel to this line. Let me name it as CE. Okay, it is parallel to CE. Now, if opposite sides are parallel, this becomes a parallelogram. So that means if this is 5, this will also turn out to be 5 units CE. Correct? Now, please understand, I'm drawing a figure here, this CEB outside here. So if we have something like this, yes, this is E, this is V, this is CB 12, this is 5. Now, do you remember Pythagorean triplets? Pythagorean triplets? One of the Pythagorean triplets, what is that? That is 5, 12 and 13. So we have 5 and 12, but we have 13 as well. Why? As I told you that this is a parallelogram ADCE. If this is 39, this will also be 39. And AB is total 52. 52 minus 39, we will get 13 here. Yes. So if this is a Pythagorean triplet, this triangle has to be a right triangle. This triangle has to be a right triangle. Yes or no? So now we will go to right triangle ECB. Okay. In right triangle ECB, what will be the area? Area will be half times base times height. Yes. We will be using this formula. So area is half times base. I can take CE as base, that is 5, and CB as height, that is 12. Now we can measure this area from a different base as well. From the perspective of a different base, I mean, I can choose EB as base. According to that, height will be this H. So this will be equal to half times 13 times H. Now half and half can be cancelled, and H will turn out to be 60 by 13. Correct? H will turn out to be 16 by 13. So let me draw this H in the main figure. So this will turn out to be H. Now, if you understand this properly, this height is not only for the triangle, this height H is also for the trapezoid ABCD. Yes? So now we will be finding area of trapezoid ABCD. What is the formula? The formula is half times sum of parallel sides times height. Yes? So this is half. What are the parallel sides here of trapezoid? 39 plus 50 times height. Height is 60 by 13. If I solve this, 2 and 60 will get cancelled. 30, we will get 6 and 3, 91 by 13 times 30. That will give me 7 times 30. That means the area will turn out to be 210. This will be the area. Okay, so area of trapezoid that we need to find out is 210. I hope you have understood how I found out the area of this trapezoid. If you like the solution, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.